Could a single bottle make single-use packaging a thing of the past? Sure, why not? If it's super ultra hyper foldable. Introducing the world's first origami bottle. That's not made out of paper. Actually, it's not just a reusable bottle. It's a design technology that opens up a new way of thinking. Imagine a world where packaging never becomes waste. It's simply reusable and collapsible by default. Now imagine yourself taking the first step towards this world. What do you need to do? Just refill and catch your train. Or catch a tan. Go see your favorite bands. Or just go anywhere. And simply find your inner peace while folding it. Okay, but what makes the origami bottle so unique? There's no other collapsible bottle that's as stable when unfolded. Even those two randomly picked adults couldn't smash it. It's also food safe, BPA free. And because we left the creases on the outside, the inside surface is smooth and very easy to clean. What about the materials? It's made of stainless steel cap and a special type of polymer. Not this one. This one. Bio-based, high-performance, thermoplastic, lightweight, odorless, hygienic polymer. Or as we call it for short, BBHPTLOHP. It's a very durable thermoplastic elastomer that can be recycled almost endlessly. So, why should you care?
In the last months, we've had time to reflect on our life and the world. Yes, everything is more uncertain than ever, but at the same time we have the possibility to make things better. We've spent 2 years in the development of the most reliable and safe collapsible bottle, and now it's time that it gets into your hands.
Actually, we developed a new technology that can work with different collapsible patterns, and we can develop many more space-saving reusable solutions.
The Origami Bottle is a kickstarter of a bigger REUSE REFOLD revolution, and our bigger mission is to redefine the packaging industry. Now we need your support, and we invite you to join us to make it happen.